In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font color of modern comments in Microsoft Word. This tutorial shows you how to change the font color of all existing modern comments in Microsoft Word. Unlike classic comments, modern comments have limited customization options, and some of the usual formatting tools may not be available when you're working directly inside a comment. For example, when modern comments are active, the Styles group in the Home tab is disabled. However, there is a workaround that allows you to change the font color without turning off modern comments. These steps are for Microsoft Word, for Microsoft 365, on a PC. They do not apply to Word for Mac. Before we begin, keep in mind that this method changes the font color of all existing modern comments. You can still change the font color of an individual comment by selecting the Home tab and choosing a color from the Font Color menu, just as you would with regular text. Any individual font color you select will override the global color choice that we're going to set. To begin, click your pointer somewhere in the body of the document, outside the comments. This makes sure the modern comments are no longer active. Next, go to the Home tab in the ribbon. In the Styles section, click the Styles dialog box launcher. This is the small button that opens the Styles pane. When the Styles pane appears, look for the Manage Styles button and select it. The Manage Styles dialog box will now appear. In the Sort Order menu, select Alphabetical. This makes it easier to locate the style we need. Next, look for the Select a Style to Edit menu. Find and select Comment Text. After selecting Comment Text, click the Modify button. The Modify Style dialog box will appear. Here, you can change the formatting that is applied to the comment text. Look for the Font Color menu and select the new color you want to use for your modern comments. Once you've selected the color, click OK to apply the change. You will return to the Manage Styles dialog box. Click OK again to confirm the settings. Now, close the Styles pane by selecting the X in the upper right corner of the pane. The font color setting has now been changed for the comment text style. However, you need to save, close, and then reopen the document for the change to appear on the existing modern comments. After reopening the document, check your comments. They should now appear using the new font color you selected. Remember that individual font color choices made directly on specific comments can override this global color setting. And that's how you can change the font color of modern comments in Microsoft Word without turning off the Modern Comments feature. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,